Multiplying two-digit numbers with same ending digit. Let's start by multiplying 32 times 12. So, 2 times 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 4 times 2, 8. Then 3 times 1, that is 3. So, the answer is 384. 63 times 43. So, 3 times 3, that is 9. So, we put 0, 9. 6 plus 4, 10 times 3, 30. So, we write 3, 0. 6 times 4, 24. So, we write 24. Then, add 9, 0. 3 plus 4, 7, 2. So, the answer is 2,709. Let's take more examples. 97 times 67. 7 times 7, that is 49. So, we write 49. 9 plus 6. 15 times 7, that is 105. Then, 9 times 6, that is 54. Then, add 9, 9, 4, 6. The answer is 6,499. We can also multiply using a single line. 24 times 54. 4 times 4, 16. We write 6, carry 1. 2 plus 5, 7. Times 4, 28 plus 1, 29. So we write 9, carry 2. 2 times 5, 10 plus 2, 12. So the answer is 1,296.